Hi everyone, thank you for coming to my channel. I am Gloria from Gloria's Platter. When we saw this sweetheart pink sugar cookie house kit, our youngest son B wanted to buy and make it. So keep watching to see how we did building this sweetheart house from scratch. So this is what is provided inside the box. These are pre-baked pink sugar cookie house pieces. Here is the pre-made white icing pouch. Valentines candy beads, easy build clips for base and roof. Valentine's candy corn, pink and red icing tubes. On the side of the box, what is inside is given. On the back of the box, the instructions on how to build is given. Looks easy, right? Okay, let's soon find out. I am lining up my turntable with a doily first. Stand piping bag in a tall glass and pull over edge to make filling easier. Knead or massage the white icing pouch until icing is softened. Cut off the large corner and squeeze icing into piping bag. Okay, son, you take over now. So our son will get help from Kat, and I am leaving them to do some other chores. Let's hope when I return, the house will be all built and ready. They were taking turns to decorate first.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Uh-oh, this does not look good. Let's see if Mom can come to the rescue. No promises. Since the front of the house looks like a disaster, we decided to treat it like the back of the house. They said the sweetheart house looks like a heartbroken house. So our house has a back door and a front door. Well, everyone will have access to run outside when this house collapses, right? Watch until the end for the bloopers. Well guys, sweetheart house or heartbroken house, it was an experience building this house and trying to save this. Our son said, well, never again. But to me, it was lovely to attempt making this and breaking this. This sweetheart pink sugar cookie house will be given to my co-workers to break and taste. I hope the house does not break before it reaches my workplace. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching us fail in building this house. Do subscribe to Gloria's Platter. Hang on for the blooper. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.